Greetings and salutations to you who find this. This is Domingo with you. Hope you're doing fantastic. Now, you have just discovered YouTube. You want to do more with it. You can basically search videos and watch videos, but what if you want to save videos in playlists so that you can watch them again and again? Well, we are going to show you how to sign in and sign up for a YouTube account. So what you do is you're going to click sign in. And then what you're going to do is you are going to create an account. So this is the process of creating your Google account. Now this is a Google account. So when you create a Google account, all you need is to enter some basic information. So for example, we're going to enter your first name. And then you would enter a Gmail address. And then you would enter a password. And then you would enter your birthday. And then you would enter your gender. And then for security purposes, you would enter a mobile phone number. And then you would go to the next step. And then this gives you privacy and terms. And then you would click I agree. And that is how you create your account. The rest is up to you. When you go and sign up for your Google account, you go to gmail.com to access the new email you created, and then you follow the on-screen instructions. The reason I didn't go any further is because the rest of the information would be personal, and that personal information is up to you to use. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Have a good day, and we'll see you next video. Take care, and goodbye.